Hi, I'm Candace Armour, and I'm the founder of EpicFabGirl.com, a digital platform that seeks to connect and empower dynamic women so they can pursue their life's purpose. At Epic Fab Girl, you'll find two major components. The first is personal stories from phenomenal women that are making major strides in society, whether locally or globally. These are women you really want to be paying attention to. Some are already on the rise, and others are already very well accomplished. The second major thing you'll find at Epic Fab Girl is personal journal entries from women across the globe. They will focus on their transparent perspective on our three major areas: self-love, relationships, and the actual pursuit of purpose. We're so excited about what Epic Fab Girl is going to do for you, simply because we believe these two major components will really help propel you into your future and fulfilling your life's destiny. We can't wait to connect with you, so make sure you head over to EpicFabGirl.com to join the Epic Fab Girl community, and make sure that you know and are abreast of everything we're doing here at Epic Fab Girl. We can't wait to connect with you.